I just got back from uni and my room's looking emptier than my brain cells after a script writing session. So today, I'm going to be building my dream gaming setup. Let's go. So first thing we gotta do is clear my desk. Oh, that was actually pretty fast. Okay, so to get started, we're working on the monitor. I've got this base amount to free up some desk space because who doesn't want a clean desk setup, right? Now, given I've got two monitors that are completely different shapes and sizes, a dual monitor stand works best. So I have this block of wood underneath just to provide more sturdiness. Is that correct? Moving on to the second monitor, flipping it over, going slow and steady. I remove the stand and slap on the VESA bracket. Boom! Or any other onomatopoeia. Next thing we gotta actually do is place the monitors on the mount. So carefully I position the monitors, ensuring that I screw them in tight. I don't want them falling and smashing everywhere. I don't think anyone wants that, or maybe there's a weirdo out there who does. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how nice this looks? Oh my God. Next thing we're going to do is just place the PC on the desk. Look at this beauty. If you're wondering what the specs are, Ryzen 9 5900X, RX 6750 XT, 32GB of RAM, 4TB of storage. What more do you need? Look at that sexy beast. Now, I was actually sent a product to review for today's video. This is the FIFINE BM88. It's a low profile microphone arm. And listen, I don't want to drag this out. Let's keep it short and sharp. It's really good. I'm actually really impressed by this microphone arm. Using this arm with the AM8 microphone has honestly been a game changer. It's allowed me to get crystal clear audio like this wherever I want without the mic getting in the way. Forget Elgato and definitely skip the cheaper options like this. It's not bad, but is it worth it? The BM88 does everything you need. It's even got a raceway inside the arm to hold your cables. Big enough for an XLR, which is perfect for me, and it's able to stretch out far too. So I also want to very briefly cover the assembly of the arm because it's so easy. So it comes with a clamp. You just want to clamp this onto the desk, tighten it up, and it works a charm. Doesn't even dent my desk, which is so convenient. Next thing you want to do is the actual arm. You just place that inside the hole in the clamp, tighten it up using an Allen key. It's so simple. It comes with an Allen key too, which is so convenient. Then what you want to go ahead and do is you want to tie on the end, but it is very, very simple. And then you just want to screw on your microphone, and then you're done. Plug in whatever wire you're going to use, XLR, USB-C, and it will work perfectly. Ooh, I bet you like that shot. Keyboard, mouse, Dild Spider-Man. No shame I gotta have Spider-Man in the setup. Just look at these peripherals. I went for mostly white because I do like it. Turning it on and boom. Look at that. It's a bit empty, I know, but let's just test it before we go any further. So as you can see, I'm playing Minecraft, all the same as before, because your setup doesn't really impact that. I also decided to test the new game Fragpunk because I do kind of love it. I'm not very good though, so of course I went, got a kill, and then I died. On the wall, I've got 3 Spider-Man disc plates, of course. Okay, so quickly going over it. Beats Solo 2, I'm pretty sure. They're not the wireless versions. You've got, obviously, Hot Funko Spider-Man. Who doesn't love Spider-Man? Got loads of Spider-Man stuff up there too. Down here, keyboard, mouse. You got my studio monitors. I think they're the PreSonus Eris 3.5s, I think. You got the FIFINE AM8 BM88. Low profile arm, Stream Deck, Focusrite. This I switch out. I do switch this out quite frequently. I'll swap it for the SC3 depending on what I'm doing. This one was for music. The other one, the SC3, works better for streaming. Shit like that. Then over here, I'm not going to get into some of this stuff. I'm not getting into the specifics of the keyboard or that yet. We've got the mouse. That's the Dynamo Shark M3. Lego, of course. PC, which you saw in the last video. Oh my God, I want it. Well, no, I have it. I don't know why I said that. Spider-Man again. Then also, this is literally just a 2TB SSD, which I have all my footage on. If this goes, this channel goes. Now, if you're wondering what the two monitors are, you've got an AOC 1440p 27-inch gaming monitor. It's flat screen because I actually prefer it. I used to have 2 of these. This is the MSI Optics Mag 241C. I used to have 2 of these, but the one just died. It just went all like lines and it was like painful to look at. It was really hard to game on it because there was no game on it. Ran out, bought this immediately. It was on deal. I was like, I can't not. Now I know the cable management is shit. That's why I'm hiding it behind this, right? I'm not going to show you underneath the desk. You've probably seen it in some of the footage. But if you can see back there, we got some LEDs. Now, the LEDs are actually Philips LEDs. However, we've also got these light bars. Cheap as shit from AliExpress. I can't change the color from red because I don't have the battery in the controller. That's the type of shit I'm working with here. No, it just had it. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, there we go. Lovely. And then, of course, you got my favorite thing in the setup. My MacBook. Now, would it really be a gaming setup video if I didn't stick in a really crappily edited montage? No. So cue the montage. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that really crap montage. Once again, thanks to FIFINE for sending out the BM88. It's a great addition to the setup, and I absolutely love it. And I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead, like the video. If you don't want to see more videos like this, go ahead, dislike the video. But subscribe either way. I hope you have a good one, guys.